Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating variables. Disconnect all USB devices and save your open work so nothing interferes. Once done, force a shutdown and boot into safe mode or the recovery environment. This prevents drivers from reloading and shows core problems. Make sure you use an administrator account so you can run diagnostics and changes. While in recovery, record any error messages or codes. They guide the next steps. This first phase stabilizes the system and exposes the underlying standby failure for repair. Now you diagnose power behavior and drivers, because standby issues almost always stem from misconfigured power policies or device drivers. Run powercog/energy and examine the report for sleep inhibitors. It pinpoints which driver or process prevents standby. Update graphics and chipset drivers, or roll them back if the problem started after an update. Next, disable fast startup and inspect individual device wake permissions in Device Manager. Make sure network adapters and USB hubs aren't set to wake the PC unexpectedly. These steps finish by applying fixes and validating results. Reboot normally and run several sleep and resume cycles so you can confirm the issue is resolved. If problems persist, update BIOS or UEFI firmware and review BIOS power settings like ECP and S3 suspend, because firmware-level options can block standby. If you still see failures, use System Restore to a known good point or perform a clean install as a last resort. If it still fails, you likely have hardware faults. Then test RAM, PSU, and motherboard components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.